everyone, Sidney and Annie here for Dietitian Talk, and today we're going to talk about tips for staying hydrated while flying. So when flying, you do lose a little more water because of the humidity. You're more at risk of becoming dehydrated. So what you'll need to do is just pay more attention for fluids. So during delays, when you get there, gradually trying to sip while you're on the plane, just trying to be mindful of getting in that fluid.
Yeah. My best tip is to just invest in a bottle of water once you get it through security. They're expensive and they're a pain to buy, and then they're heavy and you got to carry them around. But in my experience, it's been very worth the trouble of doing that, just to always have it on you, because that's really the only way you can remember when you have, several hours at a time where you're just in a waiting period. Mm-hmm. So it's worth it to just go ahead and invest in a giant bottle of water at the airport. Yep. Spend the $11 and get a bottle of water.
Yeah, and by knowing you're getting a big one, you can see how many ounces you're drinking. Mm-hmm. So you can see how hydrated you are, or, oh man, I got to start working on getting more fluids in. So it helps that way.
Yeah, so that's our best tip for now. If you have any tips, feel free to comment them below.
Awesome. Thanks, guys.